Hey there, Dan Kucherman with Weatherlogics, and today I'm going to show you how to add the app to your home screen on an iPhone. First, go to Safari, then type in weatherlogics.com. Go to the drop-down box, login, app login. Here you're going to be asked to put in your username and password. Do that now. Go to login, which is going to take you to the dashboard. But what you're actually looking for is the shared button. The shared button is at the bottom of your screen. It looks like a box with an arrow. Click on that. Then scroll down, and what you're looking for is add to home screen. Click on that. Last step, hit add, and there you go. The Weatherlogics app is now on your phone.